Something started big, and something started small. Sometimes the smallest thing can make big changes for all. I feel it down, it's in me, a gentle stream, energy. I know it's going to last. From dream to a